Here, look.
No, she can do it herself. Give her the
That.
fork.
There you go. There you go. Go like that. Stab it. Stab it with the fork. Ah.
What?
3 smart kids popped out of mom's stomach.
Yeah. Get the chicken on it. Hey, you had it.
Baby, we're gonna have 4 kids. Yep.
You want to push them out?
Nope, you're gonna push them out.
Like hell?
I'll help you though.
Like hell I am.
I'll help you do it though. You know how much help I'm gonna give you?
None.
Yeah.
Fuck that and a biscuit.
And it's
This is the last one.
no.
Oh.
Then when am I gonna have any other kids?
I'm tired of being pregnant.
Alright, well, you can be tired of being pregnant, but I want at least 2.
Really, Charlene? Dancing?